Finding a Mobile neurosurgeon, Jonathan Nakhla, guilty of reckless murder in that high-speed crash that happened in 2020.
Nakhla was also drunk behind the wheel at the time of that wreck. A South Alabama med student, Samantha Thomas, was killed when Nakhla's sports car flipped several times on an I-65 service road nearly 3 years ago.
Our Brendan Kirby has been covering this trial. He's live now outside Metro Jail, which is where Nakhla is spending his night.
That's right, Lenise and Byron. The defense had asked that Nakhla be allowed to stay out on bail until a sentencing hearing on April 20th, but the judge says that he's never allowed someone convicted of murder to leave his courtroom without handcuffs. This is Jonathan Nakhla's new mugshot. The jury, after deliberating about 2 hours over 2 days, found the former neurosurgeon guilty of the top offense. It's a Class A felony, punishable by 10 years to life in prison. Testimony indicated Nakhla was drunk past the legal limit and traveling 138 miles per hour seconds before he lost control of his Audi R8 Spider. The convertible flipped several times. Passenger Samantha Thomas died instantly, her family expressing relief after the verdict.
Justice was served, the court system works, and everybody did a great job.
That's Harold Thomas, who traveled from his home near Huntsville for the trial. He talked about how hard it was to see the testimony, including gruesome accident scene photos.
Reliving it step by step. Pretty rough. It's never going away. She's not coming back.
Defense attorney Dennis Nisley says his client will appeal. He says he's disappointed the jury didn't seem to buy the defense theory that another driver caused the accident.
We thought we made the case that the car turned in front of him without a blinker, with only a split second, and by that literally mean less than half a second to make the decision.
Nisley says he'll ask the judge to be as lenient as possible in sentencing, but Mobile County District Attorney Keith Blackwood says his office will be seeking the maximum punishment of life in prison.
To us, this was the clear result all along, and it was a very, very difficult case. This was the first time that this family has seen any kind of accountability on the part of Jonathan Nakhla, and this is the beginning of the accountability that he will face as a result of this conviction.
I also talked to Nakhla's father. He tells me he's still in shock at the verdict. As for Samantha Thomas, her father and stepmother have started a scholarship in her name for medical students at the University of South Alabama. Reporting live from Mobile County Metro Jail, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.